I have my daughter here.
My name is Shani.
How old are you?
12.
So, inask ko siya na tulungan tayo. Iba-blindfold ko siya and then identify niya kung anong side or anong brush yung walang tusok feels or yung malambot. Are you ready?
Parang ano kinikidnap nito?
Ilan to?
I don't know.
So, first. So, which one is softer? Softer.
This one.
Which one has, kung merong may tusok feels, this one. Diba? This one is softer. Okay. Which one is softer?
This one.
Which one has tusok feels?
This one.
Which one is softer?
This.
Which one has tusok feels?
This.
Which one is softer?
This.
Which one has, or meron bang may tusok feels?
This one.
So, softer itong nasa right. So, which one is softer?
Both of them.
Both of them. Merong may tusok feels? Wala? Wow! Very good, ah. How about this one? Which one is softer?
Both of them.
Tusok feels?
No.
None. Which one is softer?
This.
Which one has tusok feels?
This one.
Tanggalin mo yung ano. So, this one is the one you said na may tusok feels. This one is the one you choose na softer. So, parang siya yung pinaka-softest sa lahat. But, they actually tied up with, pagdating sa softness, they tied up sa'yo. Soft siya, pero you feel something. So, thank you, Shani.